So welcome guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find what your Bitget UID and Xempire deposit address. If you are coming across this video as a short, definitely I won't be able to explain everything I have to say in the first 60 seconds. So quickly just tap down the related video and quickly watch the full video so you can know how to do it yourself. And if you are watching this video on my main video log, please make sure what you comment, you like and you subscribe. Drop a thank you in the comment section for me. So quickly let's head straight into it. It is what? Bitget Exchange, not Bitget Wallet. Bitget Exchange, not Bitget Wallet. So the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to tap on this icon. Look at this icon on my top left. So once you tap on this icon, you have to ensure that your Bitget account is verified, because if it is not verified, you might end up losing your whole token. So make sure it is verified. If you don't know how to verify your Bitget Exchange account, make sure you watch my playlist. I made a full video on how to create and how to verify your Bitget Exchange account. You just take within 60 minutes. So first of all, what you are going to do is that you are going to copy this UID, because if you tap on your Xempire Airdrop bot, they are going to tell you that you should provide your Bitget Exchange UID and Xempire deposit address. So we are just going to come here, tap on this profile, look at my own, you can see it's verified. So I'm going to copy this UID and I'll go and paste it in my Bitget UID. So the next thing we are going to do is to look for Xempire deposit address. So we are going to just tap on asset. So once you tap on asset, what you are going to do, for you, if you come to asset, you are going to see this overview. So what you do from this overview is that you move straight to spot. So once you move to spot, you just come here and tap on the search bar. So if you want to search for it, you do not tap Xempire. If you tap Xempire, you won't see it. So just tap on X. So once you tap on X, you just scroll through. Please make sure you watch this video carefully, not to make mistake. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right now and drop a thank you for me in the comment section. So this is it. This is Xempire already. So remember, Xempire is on a Ton blockchain. So what you need to do is just tap this three dotted icon on my left hand side. So once you tap on it, you are going to see deposit. So once we just go to deposit, the next thing for us to do is to copy the address, and we'll copy it and go and paste it in the Telegram bot for Xempire. So we're going to do copy this address and go and paste it again. So quickly let me just do a brief recap so you don't make any mistake and forget anything, because I don't want anybody to lose their coin. So quickly, first of all, you're going to copy your Bitget Exchange UID, which you will find on your top left. So and you have to ensure that your Bitget Exchange UID, your Bitget Exchange account is actually verified, just as my own. You can see this green verified tick. You copy it and you go and paste it in your Bitget in your Telegram bot for Xempire. This is your UID. Then the next thing for you to do is to just go to assets. Now when you get to assets, you can just you might see overview. Just quickly move to spot, then you enter the search. So once you enter the search, you are going to just tap letter X, and I say not Xempire, tap X so that you easily find it, because their Xempire will not appear if you write Xempire. So it's going to just tap on search. So I go to spot again, then I go to the search bar, I tap on X. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, drop a thank you for me in the comment section, and you can join my Telegram channel. That's where I post a lot of updates and more airdrops that are payable. So you're just going to tap on Xempire. So we're going to copy this deposit address and we'll go and paste it in the Telegram bot. So you just look at this three dotted icon below on my left. So you tap on deposit. So what you need to do next is to copy the address and go and paste it in that Telegram bot that they requested for your Bitget UID and Xempire deposit address. So we'll just wait for it to load. Sometimes if it delays like this, it's just basically network. I believe you saw how I did it at first. So you're just going to copy this and you go and paste it there, UID and Xempire deposit address. So that's just it basically. And if you don't know how to do P2P on Xempire, P2P on Bybit, how you can sell this your Xempire once it's live to USDT and from USDT to Naira, just check my playlist. I made a full video on how to do P2P trading, most especially if you're in Nigeria or any country that you want to trade. So you can just learn how to sell it yourself and not wait for anybody to help you sell. Please guys, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop a thank you for me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.